While you are a teenager, lots of amazing opportunities for success are given to you. Taking on the best quantity of responsibility and independence can push you towards ending up being a successful teen. Hey wonderful teenagers, welcome to Teen Guide, the first channel talking about teenagers' life, problem, health, and habits. In today's video, we will talk about how to be a successful teenager. Let's go. The first step, participate in after-school activities. Schools offer students opportunities for remaining active. How you use your time needs to depend on you. Select an activity that attracts you, such as sports, scholastic clubs, or special interest clubs. Select one that plays to your interests. After-school activities develop character through team effort, time management, and competition. Don't be too worried if you aren't great at what you like. The important thing is passion, which will drive you to put in your best effort. Step 2, volunteer. Giving your time to your community is a noble activity with several advantages. An offering can teach you occupational skills such as responsibility or time management. Step 3, use your summer time for academic programs and camps. Getting a head start at college could mean compromising, or shortening, your summertime getaway. Different universities use programs for future college students based upon interests such as journalism, photography, art, or sports. These programs offer teens the opportunity to earn college credit, experience dormitory life, and see a university town. Research various programs. Get all of the information, then figure out which one is the very best option for you. Check the deadlines and requirements. Prevent entering into a problem because of a basic mistake, and you will have a good time. Step 4, shadow an expert for a field you wish to pursue. Developing a resume, getting experience, and earning letters of recommendation can begin at an extremely young age. A lot of teenagers have actually a wanted career path. Luckily, some professionals allow teens to visit offices for some hands-on experience. The non-paid experience can construct character and open up future opportunities. Make phone calls and office sees to find a company ready to allow you to watch. If they understand someone whom you can watch, ask the household. Step 5, set goals. One element of becoming effective is to look forward in life. Making and fulfilling objectives inspires you to progress. A crucial element of setting objectives is getting organized and examining your interests. As a school counselor, talking to a parent or a mentor for support, guidance is very practical. Ask yourself important concerns such as, what do I take pleasure in doing? What do I wish to be proficient at? Or where do I see myself 5 to 10 years from now? Do some research study to see what it requires to reach that objective. Learn how to simplify into mini goals that are reached as you advance. Step 6, understand and build your credit score. Your credit report is the measurement of how reliable you are to companies that determine loans you receive, enable you to live in their apartment building, or decide your rate of interest. Even though getting a charge card at a young age can be on the hands of a mom and dad, it is up to the teenager to use it properly and comprehend that it's not just money on a card. It is a guarantee in between the teen and a third party. Know that credit is a revolving pattern. Use a charge card for something you want to pay and buy off in a self-managed time frame. Using a credit card takes obligation and discipline. These qualities likewise develop other good practices. Step 7, continue your education. The typical teenager goes through 2 major educational turning points, graduating from high school and finishing college. Teenagers go through various phases, and education is frequently put aside. Nevertheless, to be effective, education should be deemed an investment for the future and a tool to show teenagers how to be inquisitive. Moreover, better education can cause more work chances, so make sure to pursue what fits your interests and goals. Step 8, build strong relationships. Teenagers go through a lot of changes, and these modifications can change relationships rapidly and abruptly. Being a successful teen means knowing how to pursue a great relationship, one where there is the possibility for both fun and future. Step 9, get a job. Having your own task builds favorable character and will help you develop. Even if moms and dads offer you cash, making your own income puts you on a path to success by enabling you to find out time management, task obligation, leadership abilities, team effort, and life abilities in the real world. Making your own income puts cash in your pockets, and what you do with your earnings is up to you. Step 10, track your expenses. Paychecks, presents, and allowances will be your income sources as a teenager. Discovering to handle money starts with tracking how you invest that income. Produce a cash diary where you write down all of your spendings for an offered time period, either weekly, monthly, or annual. Assess what you invest by deciding what is needed, such as gas, cars and truck insurance, phone costs, and what is entertainment, such as motion picture tickets, Personal items, going out. Producing this journal will help you picture where your money goes and can set you on track to create a budget plan and cost savings. Step 11, save money. Once you generate income, it is extremely appealing to utilize it immediately. And as a teenager, it is simple to overlook saving money. To be more effective, discover that cash can be saved for more crucial spending opportunities. To assist you to conserve, open up a savings account. Banks can provide lots of opportunities to teens. Get recommendations and research first before opening any accounts. Figure out a regular monthly spending plan that will assist you to put aside cash once you have one. More than likely a cosigner or mom and dad will have access to your account activity when you begin. Utilize this as a knowing opportunity and ask for them to keep you in check of what you spend. Step 12, control impulse buying. Purchasing is generally easier than saving. Little purchases can take a toll on your cost savings, and generally, those purchases might have been avoided. These impulse purchases are tough for both teens and grown-ups, so managing these impulses at a young age assists guarantee better money management throughout your life. Put yourself to the test and wait to purchase products. Often, giving yourself a week will show you that you didn't truly need the product, or the item would have been put on sale. Step 13, become more independent. Independence is very important to a teen. It comes as a need over time, but when teenagers start off being independent, it generally comes as a privilege from their moms and dads. Figure out your house dynamics, and offer locations where your self-reliance becomes handy to your home, for example, cooking your meals, cleaning up after yourself, taking care of more youthful siblings, asking for less supervision, or getting a part-time task. Step 14, learn how to use several forms of transportation. Obtaining from place to place does not constantly imply driving. However, as a teenager, driving is a substantial step in duty and independence. Make sure to take any courses and indicates to get a motorist's license. Driving is not the only way to get around. Cities have public transportation that can be both accessible and low cost for teens. Learn the paths needed to get you from location to place. It will teach you time management and persistence. Step 15, travel more often. As you grow up, your city gets smaller sized, and the world grows. Household trips assist you to explore certain regions, however, handling world travel likewise assists develop duty and self-reliance. A younger person has more outlets to travel by, such as research, study abroad, language exchange, or volunteer programs. Reconnect with a summer season checkout if you have a household in distant places. The chance to take a trip provides experiences that construct terrific character. Step 16, know when to ask for help and advice. Being independent and responsible does not indicate being alone. Handling brand new tasks and meeting objectives will be an effort. Asking people for assistance shows maturity and confidence. Seek advice from moms and dads, older brother or sisters, mentors at work, instructors, or somebody whom you trust. Opening up channels of interaction at a young age is a great practice for success. That's it. Hope you interested and see those steps are helpful, and if it is, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in another video.